This is a room tour of Delano Two Queen, room number 36914. And the lights on. So as you come in, you've got a half bathroom with a toilet and a sink, and then you've got your main living area with all the lights, and then you've got the main bedroom area with a nice telly with your fish on it, and then you've got your bathroom with your toilet, double vanity and a shower and bath combination. This is a very quick room tour because this is not ours, and I've actually snuck in before the person that's staying here has got in the room, so I'm just doing a quick room tour before they get here. And then the view is fairly good, but I'll do an upgrade of the view in a minute.